Good day everyone. We are the group 5 and we are going to report about the course MHG for Food and Nutrition. And our topic for today is all about nutrition and digestion. My name is Freda Rimerata Paulican. First, what is digestion? Utilization covers the processes that the nutrients undergo during digestion, absorption, metabolism, and excretion. So, digestion is basically the process of breaking down food by mechanical and enzymatic action in the alimentary canal into substances that can be used by the body. Digestion starts in the mouth. So, digestion in the mouth is started by means of mastification. This is responsible for increasing the surface area for digestive action and for stimulation of the flow of saliva. Next is digestion in the stomach. The valves in the stomach prevents the backflow of the mixture from the stomach into the pharynx and from the duodenum into the stomach.
So we have our digestion in the small and large intestine. So the small intestine is divided into three: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. So large intestine is not take part in digestion. However, any bulky and unused parts of the diet are passed onto it. So, functions of large intestine. The absorption of water is largely done in the colon. Second is sodium and other mineral are absorbed to a limited extent. So, we have third synthesis of vitamin K and some vitamins of the B complex by the bacteria flora take place. So, last, cellulose and other indigestible polysaccharides are gathered for the formation of feces. Absorption. When the products of digestion pass through the lining of the digestive tracts and the bloodstream and lymph, it is termed absorption. So, processes of absorption. So, we have our esophagus, liver, gallbladder, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, and large intestine.
Next, we have passive diffusion and osmosis. Small molecules are passed through the capillary membranes and diffuse easily into the capillaries of the villi depending on the pressure low. Facilitate absorption or carrier negate diffusion. Molecules which are large enough to traverse the membrane pores are helped by the specialized transport system, which carries the large molecule through the barrier. Fructose is being absorbed in this manner. We have energy-dependent active transport. The nutrient molecules must pass through the intestinal membrane to supply the materials needed by the body even against pressure gradient engulfing or pinocytosis, where very large molecules are involved. The intestinal villi act like amoeba of fat absorption. The main products of fat digestion are fatty acid, glycerol, and the glycerides. The peak of fat absorption is reached within 4 to 6 hours. Next, we have carbohydrates absorption. The simple sugars are absorbed through the walls of the intestine by means of simple diffusion. And we have also protein absorption. Amino acids are absorbed by gastrointestinal tract, mainly by carrier transport.
Minerals and vitamins absorption. Calcium and iron are mainly absorbed from the upper of the small intestine to the limited extent. Mineral salt are absorbed in the stomach. Water is absorbed mainly in the colon. At the same time, a solid mass is formed. This reaches the rectum of eventually evacuated as feces. Factors that affect the digestion and absorption of food. First, metabolism. Second, carbohydrate metabolism, energy production from glucose, maintenance of blood sugar level, protein metabolism, fat metabolism, excretion, role of the liver. Nutrient interrelationships. To provide an adequate diet, all the nutrients in their correct amounts, the proportion must be supplied to the body at the proper time.
So that ends our presentation reporting of about nutrition and digestion. I hope you guys learned a lot about nutrition and digestion.